thing is broken.
No.
Oh God.
Oh,
son of a bitch. Well, not the most ideal way to change out coilovers, but it works. Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Boost Wanted. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but today we have something very special, something that you guys have been waiting for a very, very long time. In today's episode, we're going to be installing the best bang for your buck coilovers that your hard-earned cash can buy. Damn, those actually look pretty good. I can't wait to get them on, but let's take one out and let's check this thing out. So guys, what we got over here is the MaxSpeedingRods adjustable dampening and adjustable ride coilover for the EK and the EG Honda Civic, as well as the Integra DC. If you want to check these coilovers out, I have a link down in the description below. These are going for a super low price right now. I believe they're $246. Plus, you can use the code MODIFIED to get an extra 5% off. Like I said, link in the description. With that being said, let's get back to the video.
I'm gonna have to go up like a millimeter.
Alright,
or 2 millimeter-ish.
it's pretty tight, isn't it?
yeah. What?
Whoa.
Yeah.
Strong, man.
I've been going to the gym, guys. That's why I haven't made any videos lately.
Look at these arms, man.
Hell yeah, dude.
Been juicing.
Pretty close. I think that might be
let's
spot
see.
on. Bring your handy dandy measuring tool out.
Yeah. Actually, about right here. That's pretty
The
good.
handy dandy tool.
Alright, guys. Alright, now check it out.
I think that's spot on.
Yeah, let's see that other one. Not bad. Those look good for now.
Pretty sure that's spot on.
Good for now. Let's go ahead and get these things on.
Looks like you need better tires up front too.
Bada boom. Bada bing. Go, 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 give me the next wheel. Pretty simple process. 117 millimeter bolt down here in the fork. Then there's a 14 up here to hold the fork onto the strut. And there's two 14s up top in the engine bay.
Hold the other side with a wrench.
Yep, start off with the 17 down here. Oh yeah, thing's dusty. Woo, hot. These are 14s. Let's go ahead and take them out. One, it's on the ground, so we good. It's not stuck in the engine bay. Two, take the brake bracket off. Yep. Now it's time to drop the coilover. Let's see if it just free falls. It might be getting stuck on the fork a little bit. I think we should be good. We can pull the fork off. You think?
There it is. It's almost like giving birth.
Yeah, I know. Shit. All right. Check this thing out.
Look at the 1994 ingenuity.
This thing is so old and molested. Scratched up. I mean, I'm surprised it's not leaking. And the MaxSpeedingRod one is definitely shorter by, what do you say, about 2 inches or so?
2.5.
2.5. All right, guys, now that we got the washer on the bottom of the strut, let's go ahead and get the strut put on.
Boom.
Alright, get them on.
Push the dumping more, and that it right there.
For now.
This thing's gonna be slammed as fuck,
It's
dude.
gonna be Honda slam.
Dude, those things are short.
Slam.
Yeah, I'll start hammering on this side. So close. I think that's on.
Yeah.
Oh, that shit was easier on this side.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, that air ratchet is.
Can I get the gun with a 17?
You got the 17.
Now that we have the driver's side on, we're about to go into warp speed and throw on the passenger side. Alright guys, so the coilovers are officially on. C-O-A-N. Caon. What do you think about that?
I have no idea, bro.
Oh god, it is low.
Low, baby.
And the jack it out.
Fuck no, I'm on the oil pan.
Are you?
Here, pull the jack out. I'm gonna lift it up from the front.
For the core support.
Alright, we're good. Alright, let me finger this side. Alright, I think this side is a little bit lower.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think this side is just a little bit higher. So we might have had a small little issue. The bolt broke off.
Yeah, I'd say that's a small issue.
So we're gonna do the only thing that makes sense at this point. Cut the coilover and hope that we can somehow get it off. Well, not the most ideal way to change out coilovers, but it works. And now, the back coilover. Finally got it out. Didn't go as planned, so we ended up cutting the back of it. Next step, try to pull out that bushing so we can make a new bushing and, you know, just throw a bolt in there for the time being and get some control arms on the way. So we finally got it out. This is the bottom half of the coilover. If you look closely, I believe it's been
Pull the light away.
rust welded.
Blowing.
Give it a crank. This time we're not gonna go with the Ugga Dugga, are we?
No, we're not going to go with the Ugga Dugga because, you know, Ugga Dugga might have like put a little bit too much stress on it. So now we're going straight with the breaker bar and hopefully it breaks loose but does not break off. Please. It does not feel good. It does not feel good, guys.
Does it not?
It does not feel
Yeah,
good.
you want some WD-40 on it?
Yeah, I don't think that they'll. Oh, I think it's broken.
No.
Oh, God.
Oh, no.
Son of a bitch.
And that's another pain in the ass.
It's day 2 now, guys. I am super tired. I got like 5 hours of sleep last night after breaking those bolts. But I got my nice cup of coffee, so I'm ready to get back to work and hopefully get this thing on the road today. While looking through all my tools and miscellaneous parts, I found this control arm. Unfortunately, it's an EK, so it will not fit, but at least I can press the bushings off as replacements for the bushings that are completely destroyed on those control arms. Alright guys, the new bushing is in. Now, time to find a bolt and get the side put on.
I'll definitely not be able to go over speed bumps in this thing.
Alright guys, so this thing is actually way lower than I expected it to be.
Probably should roll the back quarter panels and the front fenders, that way nothing rubs. But definitely raise it up a little bit.
Alright guys, that's probably going to be it for today's video. That's probably as far as I'm going to go with it today. I have work in the morning, so in our next episode, we're going to be adjusting these coilovers, taking a ride, and doing a review on it. So guys, stay tuned for that episode, and thanks for watching.